Hey, hi, hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to this Unacademy ICSE and ISC YouTube channel. So, this is Manisha, your class 10 chemistry educator. So, please let me know if I am clearly audible and visible, everyone. Yes, so please let me know if I am clearly audible and visible to everyone present in the class. Yes? Okay. 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 So, let's start now. So this is Manisha, your class 10 chemistry educator. So I have done my graduation and diploma. I was a gold medalist in graduation as well as diploma, and I was a university and state topper as well. So here I have given you the link of my Telegram channel, which you can join, where I will provide you the class notes in PDF format of every YouTube class. So please do join this Telegram channel. Also, you can join the official Telegram channel of Unacademy, ICS and ISC YouTube channel. So there also you will receive the important notifications and links. Hello Varsha, welcome to the class. Okay, just let me know if I am clearly audible and visible to everyone. Yes, just let me know once everyone. So this is the Telegram channel where I will be providing you the class notes of every YouTube class. Okay, of every YouTube class. So please do join this channel. Okay, okay, thank you Varsha. So there are free special classes, means going on an academy app. So basically your free special classes are a demo of your what your actual plus class looks like. Okay, so you in free special classes you can have real time interaction using chat and emojis with your teacher. You can ask questions using the question tab. Also you can do the live poll options you will get for quiz, and you can participate in that quiz. Also you can use see the poll leaderboard, and you can compete with your friends, and you can know how much preparations you have done. Okay, so you can see the poll summary, you can know where you stand in the poll leaderboard. Okay, so all these features are available on your free special class. So please do join these classes on Unacademy app. So my special class timetable I have shared with you, like on 7th, that is tomorrow, we will be discussing all the previous year important questions that has already come in the exam on metallurgy chapter. And also please note the timing of class 10 for special classes. This is 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening. And on 9th of February, I am going to discuss your chemistry sample question paper released by ICSE board. So here the discussion will be there on sample question papers. Okay, so please do not forget to join this session on 9th at 4 p.m. Also on 11th, we will be having the previous year questions on organic compounds. Okay, so all these sessions are going to be very interesting, very informative, and as well a very important for you at this point of time where you have your exams so near. Board exams are so near. Okay, so basically you should attend all these sessions so that you can could have a clear picture, like which type of questions are asked in the exam, what is the pattern, how to answer the question and all. Okay, so Unacademy subscription, if you want to take, for example, if you want a more features, like you want to talk to educator in the live class, if you want to have regular doubt solving sessions. Okay, if you want your subject, means if you want your syllabus to be covered entirely, if you want PDF notes, okay, practice test, live test series, all these features if you want, so you can go for Unacademy subscription. Okay, you can take the plus subscription where you can receive all these features. Okay, and there are so many batches ongoing on the Unacademy app where you can join all the batches with just single subscription. So for example, if you take the subscription for class 10, no, if you will be getting means subscription for 11 and 12 just for free. Okay, so all these features are available with single subscription. So Unacademy plus subscription pricing, I would like to tell you. So we have subscription starting from 3 months to 36 months, and you can go for at least 12 month subscription, because if you take 12 month subscription, so what will happen now, you will means have to pay less amount of money for more period of time, so you will be benefited in that way. Okay, and if you want like 10% discount, you can use my code Manisha Live. Okay, so you can use my code Manisha Live. Clear? So you can have the subscription, you can see the amount. So if you take for 12 month subscription, you will be able to pay 1250 rupees per month, and if you use my code 10% Manisha Live, so you will be getting 10% discount. Okay, chalo. So without any delay, now let's start the topic. So I hope everyone has understood about the pricing features and all. So if you have any doubt related to your plus subscription, now how to take it, when to take it, which how many periods should we take it, okay, so all these things you can discuss with me on this platform in the comment section. Also please do take this subscription, go for a subscription, because these subscriptions will be a lot of beneficial for you, means at this point of time where you're having your exam so near. Okay, so let's start the topic now. So today we have your hydrocarbons with MCQs we will be discussing. Also, if you are really liking the classes, getting benefited from the classes, do not forget to like the class, okay, and also do subscribe to the channel by and hit the bell icon so that you receive the notifications on time. Okay, chalo. So so let's start now. Please let me know, are we all good to start? Everyone is ready and focused? Yes? Please let me know that. Okay? So let's start now. So we are starting with hydrocarbons. So what are your hydrocarbons now? So hydrocarbons are your those compounds, okay? These are your those compounds which contain, basically which contain your carbon and hydrogen atoms. Okay, so if your pure hydrocarbon is present, then that will contain only your carbon atom as well as your hydrogen atom. Clear? Okay, now hydrocarbons can be your saturated or unsaturated. Okay, so hydrocarbons can be saturated and unsaturated. Now what are your saturated hydrocarbons? So basically saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons, those compounds which contain, okay, basically which contain single bond between carbon atoms. Hello Siddhi, welcome to the class. So Siddhi, here we are discussing your hydrocarbons in one shot revision type, and also we will be discussing your previous year asked questions, the questions which were asked in the board exams like in 2019 and 20. Okay, so stay tuned with the class till the end of this session so that you do not miss anything important from this chapter. Okay, so we are discussing about like what are hydrocarbons. So I told you any compound containing only carbon and hydrogen atoms are known as hydrocarbons. They can be again saturated or unsaturated. Saturated are those compounds which contain single bond between carbon-carbon atoms. Okay, can anyone tell me what are unsaturated hydrocarbons? What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? So basically your unsaturated hydrocarbons are again classified into two categories, where in one compound carbon atoms are containing double bond. In other compound there is triple bond present between the carbon atoms. Okay, so you can see here unsaturated hydrocarbons are of two types. In first type we see that your carbon atoms are containing double bond, okay, and in second type your carbon atoms are containing triple bond. Okay, yes Siddhi, very good, they have double and triple bond, very good. So please tell me, what do we call the saturated hydrocarbons? What is the general name for saturated hydrocarbons? Also tell me the general names for unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bond and triple bond. You have to tell me the general name, not general formula. Please do not get confused. Okay. So you have to tell me the general name of saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons also. Okay, Siddhi is telling paraffins. Very good, Siddhi. That is the general term that we use for saturated hydrocarbons because of its least reactivity. Yes, but generally we call them like alkanes. Yes. So basically they are known as alkanes. Yes, yes, very good. And unsaturated hydrocarbons in which a double bond is present, they are known as, tell me please, and the triple bond, compounds with triple bond is known as, yes, Siddhi, please give me the answer, and everyone who is present in the class. Okay, so basically your unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bond are your alkenes, also known as olefins. Why? Because the higher member of the alkenes family, upon reacting with halogens like chlorine, bromine and all, they form oily products. Okay? Yes, very good. Very good, Siddhi. So triple bond are known as alkynes. So you can see over here, everyone please see over here. For saturated hydrocarbon, it is ane. Yes, means whenever you see a single bond, you have to use the suffix ane. Okay. For double bond, it is ene. For triple bond, it is ine. Okay. So Siddhi, the spelling that you have written for alkynes is not correct. It should be ALKYNES. Okay. So please student, everyone please pay attention on these small things because these are going to be very vital when you write the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. So before proceeding further, before proceeding to our alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, let us talk about your IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Little bit of. So whenever, like if hydrocarbons are there, okay, hydrocarbons have root words. Okay, the hydrocarbons have root words, that is number of, to tell how many number of means how many carbon atoms are present in the hydrocarbons. Okay, so hydrocarbons have root words which tell us the number of carbon atoms present in the compound. Okay, so like if we have one carbon atom, please tell me fast if you know. This side I am writing the number of carbon atoms, okay, and this side I am writing the root word. So please tell me fast, anyone in the class who is knowing the answer, what do we call, what do we use as root word for those compounds which contain your one carbon? Tell me fast everyone. If any compound is containing one carbon, which root word we use? 2 carbon, which root word we use? 3 carbons, 4 carbons, 5 carbons, 6 carbons. Yes, very good Siddhi, very good. Yes, the root word is meth. Okay. So I have asked you the root word. So root word will be meth for 1 carbon, eth for 2 carbon. Yes, very good Siddhi. If others are also knowing the answer, please let me know. 3 carbons we use prop. For 4 carbon we use but. For pent it is, sorry, for 5 carbon it is pent. For 6 carbon it is hex. So these are the root words which are used for hydrocarbons having these many carbon atoms. Okay, so 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon eth, 3 carbon prop, 4 carbon but, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex and so on. Yes. So all these are your root words. Now let us come back to your alkanes. Okay, so let's talk about your alkanes first, then we will talk about your alkenes and then alkynes. So please tell me, what is the general formula of your alkanes? General formula of alkanes. General formula, why we are trying to understand? Because let's say if we want to write the structure, if we want to draw the structure of some alkane, or if we want to write the molecular formula for any alkane, so which general formula should we use? Yes, very good. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Very good Siddhi. Yes, this is the general formula for alkanes, where n is the number of carbon atoms present. Okay, carbon atoms present. Clear? So this is the general formula for alkane. Now everybody in the class, I am going to ask a question. Please do answer this question because these type of questions are asked in the exam many times. Okay, tell the molecular formula. Okay, tell the molecular formula for propane. You have to tell me the molecular formula for propane. See, propane is a alkane. So we are using, see, the root word prop. I told you when we will use the root word prop, when there are 3 carbon atoms. So you have to tell me the molecular formula of propane based on the general formula for alkane. Is it C2H6? Is it C3H8? Yes, very good, Siddhi. Is it C4H12 or is it C4H10? So please tell me fast, what is the molecular formula for propane? Yes, very good. So if we use the general formula for alkane, which is CnH2n plus 2, and we have to find out the molecular formula for propane, so you can see the root word that is used here is prop. Yes. So for prop, the N is equals to 3 because any compound having the root word prop will contain 3 carbon atoms. Okay. So we will put this value in this formula, and what we observe that C3H2 into 3 plus 2. That means we will obtain C3H8. And if we want to draw its structure, it will be like this. 3 carbons are there in the compound. Now this carbon, all of you know this, that carbon is tetravalent in nature. That means it can form 4 single bonds at a time. So this carbon has its 1 valency satisfied over here. That means 3 valencies are still left to be satisfied, which are satisfied by adding hydrogen atoms to it. Okay. This carbon has its 2 valencies satisfied. That means still 2 valencies are left unsatisfied, which is satisfied by your 2 hydrogens, and this carbon will also have 3 hydrogens attached to it. So you can see here we have 3 carbons and 8 hydrogens. That means option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. The concept of alkanes is clear to everyone. Now, alkanes are also known as paraffins. Okay. That means they are having least affinity for other atoms, means they are very much least interested in taking part in any reaction, but they show a special type of reaction. Okay. Can anybody name what type of reaction is shown by your alkanes? Can anybody name the type of reaction shown by your alkanes? Yes. So what type of reaction is alkane showing here? Okay. So basically, very good, Siddhi. Yes. So alkanes generally prefer substitution reaction. Okay. So your saturated hydrocarbons generally prefer substitution reaction. Clear? Now what is substitution reaction? So basically substitution reaction mein what happens? Your halogens, generally halogens like chlorine and bromine, substitute, okay, they substitute hydrogen atom, H atom, from the alkanes. Okay, and this reaction will go on till every hydrogen of the compound gets substituted. Okay, so halogens substitute means what? Replace. Okay, replace hydrogen atom from the alkanes and they form their own bonds with the carbon. Clear? मतलब हाइड्रोजन को निकाल के बाहर फेंकते हैं and they come inside and form bonds with your carbon atoms. So let's try to understand this reaction with the help of your chlorination. Okay. So chlorination of ethane or methane, let's say we are taking chlorination of methane. Clear? Is it clear everyone? Please let me know. Is it clear till here? Any doubt anybody is having? Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Chlorination of methane now we are going to study. Okay. Now, okay, Siddhi, chalo, very good. So chlorination of methane mein what happens? We take your methane group, that is a alkane group, and we take your chlorine atom and we made them to react in presence of diffuse sunlight. Okay. Now this diffuse sunlight will break the bond between the, okay, they will break the bond between the chlorine molecule. That chlorine atom is attached over here. This bond will be broken by the sunlight. Okay. And this chlorine, now this chlorine will go and attack on this bond. So this bond will also get broken and H will come out. Okay. This H which has come out of your methane will combine with one chlorine atom to form your HCl, and one chlorine atom will go in that place from where it has taken out the hydrogen. So it will go and get attached to form like this, the compound like this. Yes, all of you can see. This type of compound will be formed here. Ma'am, what is the meaning of diffuse sunlight? See, we are not using direct sunlight, Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi, I am explaining. See, we are putting this mixture of chlorine and methane in presence of diffuse sunlight. Means the sunlight should not be very direct. Okay, means some type of protection is used. Some amount of sunlight is only made to fall on this mixture. That is your diffuse sunlight. Okay, so what is the function of this diffuse sunlight? Basically, this diffuse sunlight is breaking the bond between your chlorine molecules, between your chlorine atoms of the molecule. Like here Cl2 we have, that means two chlorine atoms have bonded together to form Cl2. Now this diffuse sunlight will break this bond between your chlorine atom, and the chlorine atom will be like this. And this chlorine atom will go to this bond and it will break the bond between carbon and hydrogen. Hydrogen will come out and it will have much stronger affinity for chlorine than carbon. So it will go with one chlorine and form HCl, and the other chlorine will go to that place from where it has taken out your hydrogen atom and will form its own bond, and thus this is a substitution reaction happening with methane. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Please let me know. Once if it is clear to you, we will proceed to the next step of this. Okay, next step of this reaction. Okay. So why we are using, okay. Hello Siddhant, welcome to the class. Okay, very good. So here you can see that we are using diffuse sunlight. So why we are using diffuse sunlight? Because in active sunlight or direct sunlight, the reaction can be explosive and it will be negligible in the dark. So we are using diffuse sunlight, like not very intense glare we are putting on the mixture. We are using it in the diffused form. Okay. So if it is partial substitution, if the substitution is partial in nature, okay, then only this compound will be formed. The substitution reaction will stop here only and your only chloromethane will be formed. Okay. Now, if the substitution reaction is not partial, if the substitution reaction is like will happen complete substitution reaction here, then this reaction will not stop here. It will proceed further. So now we have like CH3Cl, and again it will react with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight. Okay, it will react in presence of diffuse sunlight to form your, again HCl will come out and one more hydrogen will get substituted by the chlorine to form your CH2Cl2, that this is dichloromethane. Okay, dichloromethane. Yes. So now again this will not stop here also. This dichloromethane will again react with chlorine to take out your HCl. Now one more hydrogen is substituted by the chlorine and now it will form CHCl3. Okay, CHCl3. Is it clear? It is known as trichloromethane. Okay, trichloromethane. Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know if everything is becoming clear to you. Yes. So this is your trichloromethane, also known as chloroform. So this is the common name for this compound. Trichloromethane is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay. Okay, Siddhi and Siddhant, very good. Chalo. Now this reaction will not stop here. I told you substitution reaction will go on till your every hydrogen in the compound has been substituted by the halogen. So here still one hydrogen is left. So this substitution reaction won't stop here and one more H will come out, and now again your chlorine will form the bond and hence it will form CCl4. This is tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. Okay, clear? And here you can see every hydrogen of the methane compound has been substituted by chlorine. Now this product is formed as the result of complete substitution. Formed as complete substitution takes place. Yes, very good. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone, the chlorination of methane. Similarly, you can do the chlorination of ethane also. Okay, these are your substitution reactions only shown by your saturated hydrocarbon, that is your alkane. Clear? So the common name for this compound is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, carbon tetrachloride. This is the common name for this compound. So always remember, whenever your partial substitution will take place, partial means adha substitution will take place, the reaction will stop in the first step itself. If the substitution is going to be complete, then the final product will be formed as carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. Okay? Okay. So I don't think anybody should have any doubt, but still if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. So based upon this substitution reaction, let me ask you a question that has been asked in your ICSE 2020. So what product will be formed in complete substitution reaction of ethane by chlorine? Okay, so what product will be formed in complete substitution reaction of ethane by chlorine? Option A, CCl6, option B, CHCl5, option C, C2Cl6, option D, C2HCl6. So what product will be formed in complete substitution reaction of ethane by chlorine? Okay, so if you want to, like, say, completely substitute your every hydrogen from ethane with the help of chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, what product will be formed here? So tell me fast, everyone. Yes? So which product? Very good, Siddhi. Yes, very good. Yes, the option number C is the correct one. Here your C2Cl6, that is hexachloroethane, will be formed. Hexachloroethane will be formed. Yes. Chloroethane. No, Siddhant. No. Not only chloroethane. The chloroethane will be formed only in the first step. Like C2H6 is there. If we try to do the substitution reaction with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, so here C2H5Cl and HCl will be formed. So this is the incomplete substitution. This is your incomplete substitution. So if complete substitution has to take place, every time your every hydrogen will get substituted by the halogen. So like ethane contains 6 hydrogens, so all the 6 hydrogens will be substituted by chlorine to form this compound hexachloroethane. Hello Abdullah, welcome to the class. No, this is not the correct answer. Option A is not the correct answer. One carbon can not hold your 6 chlorine. How it can do so? Okay? Okay, Siddhant. Very good. Chalo, very good. Okay, so please do remember this. Now let's talk about your alkenes. So alkenes and alkynes. All of you know this. That alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hello Tisha. Very good evening. Okay. So bacha, agar if you are liking the classes, no, please do like the classes and do share these classes with your friends as much as you can. Okay. So that they can also join me on this platform. Okay. Chalo. So let's talk about your alkenes and alkynes. So please tell me the general formula for alkenes. What is the general formula for alkenes? And please tell me the general formula for alkynes also. General formula for alkynes. What is the general formula for alkynes? Yes, everyone. What will be the general formula for alkyne? Very good. Very good. CnH2n. Yes. For alkenes, this is CnH2n. Very good. And for alkynes? Yes. Very good, Tisha. Very good, Siddhi. Yes. Okay, chalo, very good. CnH2n minus 2. This is the general formula for alkynes. Okay. So all of you have understood. Now let us fastly try to answer one question. Okay. What is the formula of butane? Okay. You have to tell me the molecular formula for butane. Option A, B, C and D. Is it C4H6? Is it C4H8? Is it C4H10? Is it C4H7? What is the formula? Formula means molecular formula I am asking. Molecular formula for butane. Anyone? Yes, what is the molecular formula for butane? Tell me fast everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good everyone. Very good. Very good. Chalo, very good. Yes, it's option A, that is C4H6. Let's try to draw the structure because many times in questions in exams, your structure is also asked. Okay. So, but, whenever you see this root word but, you have to understand that the compound is containing 4 carbon atoms. And now you can see the suffix "ine" over here. "Ine" means that the compound is containing your triple bond. So let's draw triple bond over here. Now you can see this carbon has its 3 valency already satisfied. That means it can have only one hydrogen atom. Now this carbon has its 1, 2, 3 and 4 valency already satisfied. So it cannot have now any hydrogen atom because already it's all the 4 valencies are satisfied. This carbon has satisfied 1 and 2 valency. So it will have 2 hydrogens. This carbon has only satisfied 1 valency. So it will have 3 hydrogen. Okay. Yes. Very good. So now you can see we have 4 carbon atoms and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so if you don't remember the general formula, by drawing the structures also, you can know the molecular formula of any compound. Okay, just you need to understand for how many carbons which root word has to be used. Okay, which root word has to be used. So, let's try to answer one more question, then we will proceed to alkyl group. Only first carbon will have triple bond or all? No, 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 Abdullah. Only this carbon means any 2 carbon will have only your triple bond. So if we have written butane, so you need to draw the triple bond between your first carbon and second carbon only. Yes. Abdullah, that's what I am answering. Bacha, please try to understand. If your ine or ene is mentioned, okay, and nothing, no prefix like di, tri is mentioned, only ine, in like this it is mentioned, you need to draw the double or triple bond only between the first and second carbon. Okay, no other where you have to draw. Like if I am writing butane, and for butane you have drawn the structure like this. For butane you have drawn the structure like this. This is not the correct structure for butane. This is the structure of but2-ine. Okay, so if your butane is given, you need to draw the triple bond between the first and second carbon. That's all. From any side. Okay, from any side. Clear? Okay, chalo, very good. So, this is the structure of butane. So, let's try to understand one more question and then we will proceed to our next topic. So, all the questions that I am discussing are from your previous year papers. So, please do take all the questions seriously and try to answer it in the class. Okay. Hello Shivam, welcome to the class. Okay. So, let's try to answer one more question. Okay. You have to tell the molecular formula of pentene. Okay, you have to tell me the molecular formula for pentene. Is it C5H10? Is it C5H8? Is it C5H12 or none? What is the molecular formula for pentene? Yes. Okay, so everybody is answering C5H10. Very good, very good, very good. Yes. So the general formula for alkene is CnH2n. So this is pentene. So pent is the root word used for 5 carbon atoms. That means N is equals to 5. So we have C5H 5 to the 10. Any option A is the correct one. Yes, very good everyone, very good. Okay, so let's try to draw the structure. So pentene we have. So try to understand how will we draw the structure. So first of all, draw 5 carbons. Now in suffix we have "ene". "Ene" stands for double bond. So you can draw double bond either here or here. Okay. So you have to draw the double bond between the first and second carbon and no other place. So here it will be H2, 1, 2, 3. So H, 1, 2, H2, 2, 3. So 3, 3, 6, 2, 8, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10. So this is the formula structure of your pentene. Is it clear everyone? So have you all understood why we are drawing the double bond here and not in the middle? Yes, because in that case the position of double bond will change. Yes, so here we have written only pentene, which stands for pent 1 ene. That means your double bond is at the first carbon. Okay. Okay. So I hope this is understood to everyone. Now, your alkenes and alkynes show which type of reaction? Please let me know if you know the answer. Hello Aman, welcome to the class. So please let me know what type of reaction is shown by your alkenes and alkynes. So basically your alkenes and alkynes generally show your addition reaction. Okay, so yes, very good. So generally show your addition reaction. Yes, very good. So everyone has understood? Yes. So your alkenes show substitution reaction and alkenes and alkynes show your alkenes show substitution reaction. Very good Aman. And alkenes and alkynes show your addition reaction. Clear everyone? Is it clear? Yes. Now what type of addition reaction is shown by your alkenes? Can anyone tell me? What type of addition reaction is shown by your alkenes? Yes, tell me fast. Clear ma'am. Ma'am, can we write 1 before pentane? Yes, you can write Siddhi. 1 pentane you can write, but in case of your alkanes, we do not mention the position of bond because everywhere your single bond is present. So there is no need to mention the position. Clear? That's why we don't write the position of your single bond. We only write the position of double or triple bond because your double and triple bond have more priority than your single bond. Clear? Yes. Very good Shivam. Very good. Yes. So basically three types of addition reactions are shown by your alkenes and alkynes. First is addition of hydrogen. Yes. First is addition of hydrogen, also known as hydrogenation. Okay. Second is your addition of halogen. Okay, addition of halogen. So this is known as halogenation. And third is your addition of acids like HCl. So this is known as hydrohalogenation. Okay, hydrohalogenation. Clear? Because we are adding a hydrogen and a halogen. That's why this reaction is known as hydrohalogenation. Yes, very good. Yes, very good Shivam. The catalyst used for your hydrogenation is which catalyst we use? Either we use nickel at 200 degrees Celsius or we can use catalyst like platinum and palladium at ordinary temperature. Okay. For addition of halogen, we use the solvent like CCl4, which is a inert polar solvent. Clear everyone? Inert non-polar solvent. So in this case, your CCl4 is used as a solvent which is inert and non-polar in nature. And HCl, we can add your HCl also. Here we are adding one hydrogen and one halogen. So this is hydrohalogenation. Yes, very good. And one more addition reaction we have. Okay, so that is your addition of water. Addition of water. So you can see we are hydrating your alkenes. Okay. So this is known as hydration of alkenes. This addition of water is done at specific conditions, like we have to maintain 80 degrees Celsius of temperature, 30 atmosphere of pressure, and your concentrated sulfuric acid should also be there. So these three conditions are required for addition of water to alkenes. So these four types of addition reactions are generally shown by your alkenes as well as alkynes. Okay? Okay, Abdullah, sure. Yes, yes. See, Abdullah. Basically, your alkenes and alkynes, they have double and triple bond. Okay. So double and triple bond they have. So I have told you in the previous classes also, like whenever a single bond is formed between two carbon atoms, that is your sigma bond. And sigma bond are the basic bonds, base bonds. Means these cannot be broken. Means these are the important bonds which are formed initially between any two atoms. Okay. Now, like if we are forming double bond, if we are forming more than one bond, then that extra bond is your pi bond, which can break easily, which are very weak. Clear? So whenever reactants like your hydrogen or halogen or HCl or water attacks on your alkenes and alkynes, these pi bonds, especially means these pi bonds easily gets broken. That's why they participate in addition reaction and not in substitution reaction, because the pi bonds are very weaker than your sigma bond. So they will break fast and they will break first. That's why your alkenes and alkynes, upon doing the addition reaction, gets converted to your saturated hydrocarbons, that is your alkanes. Is it clear, everyone? So addition reaction is shown in your alkenes and alkynes due to the presence of these pi bonds. These pi bonds are very weak and unstable in nature. They get broken very easily. That's why your alkenes and alkynes participate in addition reaction and not in substitution reaction. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know. Okay. So if it is clear, okay, if everything is means you are getting clear, crystal clear. So please do like this class and also do share the classes. Okay. I want maximum participation of my students in the class. Okay. Okay. So, okay, very good. So all of you must have understood all these type of reactions. So these reactions are not in your syllabus. The reduced syllabus doesn't have your addition reaction entire thing. So if you want me to explain this reaction, I can do so, but it should be your wish. Okay. You all must be interested in understanding the chemical reactions happening in each addition reaction. So please tell me fast. Are you interested? Okay. Ma'am, it is because they have sufficient electron to undergo this reaction. Yes, Siddhi, that sufficient electron is due to the presence of this pi bond. Pi electrons are very much unstable and they can easily be lost. Okay, these pi electrons can be easily lost. They have maximum of electrons. Yes. Yes, Shivam, very good. They are formed by parallel overlapping of atomic orbitals. Not parallel, you can say sideways overlapping. Means like this. You can see like this. Like this overlapping is done between the atomic orbitals to form the pi bonds. And the pi electrons are very much unstable in nature. They are ready, means they can be lost very easily. Okay. That's why your unsaturated hydrocarbons participate in addition reactions. Yes. Yes, ma'am, explain. Okay. Okay, Siddhant, sure. Okay. Clear, everyone? So, sigma bond is formed by this head-on overlapping. Pi bond is formed by like this, sideways overlapping. That's why they are very weak. See, you can break this very easily. But you cannot break this one very easily. Okay. So, let me just explain you the addition reaction very fast. I will not take your much time. Okay. Ma'am, what is parallel overlapping? Siddhi, see, you will understand all this sideways overlapping or parallel overlapping of the orbitals when you will study this atomic theory in class 11. Okay, structure of atom in class 11, chemical bonding in class 11. There you will understand about the orbitals. Basically, what are orbitals? Every orbital has a different shape. Okay, and why this sideways overlapping take place? What is this head-on overlapping? How the bonds are formed? Everything you will understand in class 11. This is your class 11 syllabus. Okay, so if I have to explain you this sideways overlapping or head-on overlapping, so I need to explain you the entire quantum theory, like what is the shape of every orbital, what are orbitals basically. Okay, so all these I have to explain you. Then I have to explain you the type of structures that are formed by your orbitals, like s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital, how many shapes they have. Okay, so all these things I would have to explain you. So this will take again a separate class to explain all these things. So I will not take it further. Just understand this much. Addition reactions are due to the presence of pi electrons, which are very unstable in nature. Pi bonds are very weak in nature. So the electrons can be lost very easily. Pi bonds are formed by sideways overlapping, means your orbitals participating in forming the bond, they overlap sideways. Okay, and sigma bond is formed by head-on overlapping, that means they do direct overlapping on each other. That's all. Okay, is it clear everyone? Okay, so let us just come to your alkyl family. Okay, alkyl group. Now, before proceeding to our previous year questions, I would like to tell you about the alkyl group. Now, what is alkyl group? Can anyone tell me? What is alkyl group? What is the general formula for alkyl group? Yes? Yes. CnH2n plus 1. Very good, Siddhi. Yes, very good, Siddhi. So, general formula for alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. Yes, very good. Yes. So, basically how alkyl groups are formed? When one hydrogen, okay, one hydrogen is removed from alkanes. So, if your one hydrogen is removed from alkane, they are converted to alkyl group. Can you all name this alkyl group? What is this alkyl group? Can you name this alkyl group? Is it methyl? Is it ethyl? Is it propyl? Or is it butyl? What is this alkyl group? Okay, very good everyone. So, okay, very good. Yes, this is methyl. Okay, so basically alkyl groups are those groups which have one hydrogen less than your alkane family. Yes, very good. So, everyone in the class, I suppose, is getting everything that I am teaching in the class. Yes. So, okay, very good, Siddhant. Very good, everyone. So, let's try to understand now the homologous series. So, after we have completed your alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, what type of reaction they show, what is the general formula for these. Okay, alkyl groups also we have covered. So, let's cover your homologous series. So, what is this homologous series? Okay, so homologous series is basically a family of compounds where, or family of hydrocarbons or their derivatives where every member has, okay, where every member has similar chemical properties. Okay, they have similar chemical properties. Clear? So, like homologous series means what? A family of same type of compounds where every member will have your similar chemical properties. Okay, like we have alkane family. We will try to understand some of the features of homologous series. So, like we have alkane family. So, who is the first member of alkane family? Can anybody tell me? Who is the first member of alkane family? Yes. So, the first member is methane. Second is ethane. Very good. Third is propane. Fourth is butane. Yes, very good. Now you can see that every member of the family is deficient of, yes, very good, is deficient by CH2 group of its preceding member. Like if we compare ethane with methane, okay, if we compare two continuous member of the family, not like methane and propane or ethane and butane, not like that. Okay, if we compare two continuous member of the family, what we observe, two continuous members have a difference of CH2 group. Yes or no? One carbon is less and two hydrogen is less. Means every member of the homologous family will be having deficiency of CH2 group than its succeeding member. Yes or no? Like methane is the preceding member, ethane is the succeeding member. So methane is CH2 molecule less than the CH2 group less than your ethane. Or you can say C2H6, that is ethane is having more one more CH2 molecule than your methane. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Are their chemical properties same? Yes, Siddhi, their chemical properties are same. Physical properties changes gradually. Okay, they changes gradually. So like if we are coming down in the group, the physical properties will change. Physical properties is changing. Why? Because your atomic mass, or you can say molecular mass, is increasing. Okay, so your molecular mass is increasing, so your physical properties will show us gradual gradation or gradual changes, like your boiling point will increase, melting point will increase, their weight is increasing. Okay, so there is a gradual changes in the physical properties, but chemical properties of every member of the homologous series will be same. Okay, and every member will be having CH2 difference than its preceding member. Okay, like if we compare in ethane and propane, so again there will be a difference of CH2 group. Propane and butane will again have a difference of CH2 group. That means if in terms of molecular mass, if we want to express it, means every family will be less than, means every family will have a deficiency of 14 AMU than its preceding than its succeeding member. Like if we say methane, so methane is having 14 AMU less than ethane. Yes or no? Because one molecule of CH2 group will weigh how much AMU? 14 AMU only. All of you know how to calculate molecular mass. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, Abdullah, see. Okay, Cl2 you are writing. Okay. I will come back to your doubt. Don't worry. So is it understood, everyone? Please let me know. The homologous series is understood. Similarly, we can have your alcohol family. Okay. Now, every member of the family should have same functional group. Okay. Like if we are talking about alcohol, this will be like methanol. Then it will be like ethanol. Then it will be like propanol. Okay. Means everybody will have same functional group. Yes. Okay. And see here also there is a difference of CH2 group. Here also there is a difference of CH2 group. That means a difference of 14 AMU molecular mass. Clear? Okay. So Abdullah, you are asking what will happen if we react CH4 with Cl2. So your substitution reaction will take place in presence of diffuse sunlight. That I discussed. Okay? Is it clear? So this will not stop here. It will go on and will show the maximum substitution where your every hydrogen will get substituted. Clear? Okay. Chalo. So what you are asking, Siddhi? Third butane. What is the molecular formula? Yes. Okay. Let me show you. So third butane is nothing but your this. This is your tertiary butane. CH3, CH3, CH3H. This is your third butane. Clear, Siddhi? Is it clear? Tell me fast. So tert butane is this, where your single carbon atom is attached to 3 carbon atoms. This is your tertiary butane. Or you can say tert butyl also. Okay. Clear? Okay. Let's move on to our next topic. Okay. Chalo. Very good. So this was your homologous family. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's, ma'am, can it be isobutane? Yes, sure, Siddhi. It can be your isobutane. We will talk about now isomers. We will talk about like isomers. So there I will explain your isobutane, like your N-butane. Okay. So don't worry about that. Clear everyone? Okay. Sure. Okay, very good. So I want my student to understand everything in my class and they do not miss out on anything. Okay. Okay. So this can be your isobutane also. Okay. This can be. So I hope this is clear to everyone. This is your isobutane. The IUPAC name of this one is your, if we take like this 1, 2 and 3, this will be like 2-methyl propane. Clear everyone? Yes? So if you are really liking the classes, bacha, please do like and subscribe the channel and do like the videos also, classes also, and do share these classes with your friends so that you and your friends can learn everything that is important. Okay? Okay. Chalo, very good. So let's come back to our topic. Now we are talking about like isomers. Now what are isomers? So basically your isomers are those compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula. Okay. So they have like same molecular formula but different structural formula. Okay. So there are so many types of isomers. This definition of isomers will change when you will study isomers in class 11. Then the definition will not like this, that same molecular formula but different structural formula. Okay. Ma'am, next chapter please study of compounds. Sure Siddhi, I will start study of compounds only. Okay. So like isomers may we have different categories. Okay. So isomers are of two different types, structural isomers and stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is not in your syllabus. This is in class 11. Okay. So there, okay. So basically we are going to study only one type of isomers, that is structural isomers. Okay. That is structural isomers. Clear? And now structural isomers can be of four types. One is chain isomer. Second is position isomers. Third is functional isomers. Yes, Abdullah, there are classes on free for Unacademy, means on Unacademy also, on app also. There I take classes for class 10 from 4 to 5 p.m. Okay. And fourth is your metamerism. Okay, so these two are not in your syllabus. You have to study only chain isomers and positional isomers. Functional and metamerism is not in your syllabus. Okay. Clear everyone? Yes. Structural isomers are that only, same molecular formula but different structural formula. Okay. So we will stop here only, ma'am, for ICSE board. No, Shivam, tautomerism we don't have now. Okay. We don't have this in our syllabus. Tautomerism is not there. Clear? So tautomers are your structural isomers, but we don't have tautomers in your syllabus. Okay. Clear everyone? Ma'am, you take classes for ICSE boards on Unacademy. Yes, Siddhant, I take classes for ICSE board on Unacademy app. So my classes for class 10 starts at 4 p.m. and ends on 5 p.m. Like tomorrow, we will be doing previous year discussion questions on metallurgy chapter. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? Shivam, so tautomerism we don't have in our syllabus. That is also a form of structural isomers only. But functional isomers, metamerism and tautomerism we don't have in our syllabus. Okay. Yes, Abdullah, Monday is your result day. I know your semester 1 result will be means declared tomorrow. So all the best from my side. Okay. Okay. So all the best from my side. So all of you, I wish that you all pass with flying colors and let me know what is your result tomorrow in the class. Okay. Everyone. So please do like the classes if you are really liking it. Okay. Understood, everyone? So I hope the class was interesting and informative to you. You find it useful, and please do share the classes with your friends also so that they can also come on this platform. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel because you will not know when I will go live next time. So if you subscribe it, you will get the notification and accordingly you can join the classes live. Okay. Okay. So basically, okay, so very good. So here, okay, you are asking Siddhi, what is toluene? Not toluenes. We don't have any toluenes. We have toluene. Toluene and naphthalene. These are your benzenoids. These are your compounds containing benzene ring. This is toluene. And this is naphthalene. These are your aromatic compounds. Okay. These are your aromatic compounds. Like this. Clear? Siddhi, my next class will be tomorrow at 8 p.m. My next class will be tomorrow at 8 p.m. I take classes for class 10 every day on this channel at 8 p.m. Okay? Aromatic means those compounds which follow your Huckel's rule. Or you can say in simple language, aromatic compounds means having aroma. Okay? This is aromatic compound. Okay, Siddhi? This is not toluene. This is toluene. This is toluene. This is naphthalene. Okay, aromatic means those compounds which follow your Huckel rule. Now, Huckel rule is a rule which is followed by some compounds showing aromaticity. The property of aromaticity is shown only by following your Huckel's rule. Clear? These are your benzenoids. Or you can say aromatic compounds. Having smell, having pleasant aroma. Clear? Okay, chalo. ठीक है? So I hope everything is clear to everyone in the class. Okay, let's try to answer this question and then we will end the class. Name the saturated hydrocarbon containing 2 carbon atoms. Is it ethane, methane, propane or none of the above? Very easy question. Yes? Very good, very good. Yes, it is ethane. So all of you do not forget to join my class tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay, I will take the class on study of compounds only. Okay, very good Shivam. Chalo, yes, this is C2H6. Okay, so I hope you liked the class today. Okay, and please do join the classes on Unacademy app also if you want to get connected with me there as well. Okay, and all of you I suppose must have enrolled for this Prodigy test. So this Prodigy test will be on 13th of Feb now, and you can win like exciting prizes and a scholarship up to rupees 20 lakh. Okay. So please do not forget to like the class before signing off. So these are your exciting rewards that will be given to you in every test if you are the highest scorer. Like if you have rank 1, you will be getting MacBook. If you are rank 2, you will be getting Apple iPhone. So these are your exciting prizes that will be given to you if you score highest in the Prodigy test. Okay. Okay. So please do enroll yourself, and these are your upcoming batches for class 9 and 10. Also we have like champions batch, and for class 10 in Hindi we have like Udan batch started already from 1st of Feb on Unacademy plus session. Okay, Siddhi. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and please do download the PDF. Okay, the PDF will be provided on the Telegram channel of whose link I have given in the starting of this session. Clear? Ma'am, is organic chemistry completed or is it one shot? Abdullah, these batches are for your not free. These are your plus batches. You need to have the subscription to attend these batches. Okay. So you need to have the subscription. Siddhi, organic chemistry, still we have one part left. That is your nomenclature part. That I will discuss with you in the next upcoming classes. Okay. There I will also be discussing your previous year questions as I have discussed in today's class. And then your organic chemistry will be completed. Okay. Okay everyone, please let me know. Okay? So please do download the Unacademy app and the Telegram channel. Also please do subscribe to that channel, and you can download the notes from there. The class notes you can download there from in the form of PDF. I have given the channel link in the starting of this session. Okay? Ma'am, please take Menti quiz as well. I will, Siddhi, sure. I am looking forward to take the Menti quiz as soon as I can. Okay. So I will inform you when I will be taking this Menti quiz. So you can connect with me on Unacademy app as well. Okay. There you can you can stay connected with me, and I can inform you when the classes will be held. Okay. Next session. Siddhi, next session is on study of compounds. So there I will not be able to take the Menti quiz. Maybe after that I can take. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. So please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to attend my next class. Do not forget, my next class will be tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay. Okay, chalo, very good. Thank you all. Thank you. This was again an amazing session for me as well. So thank you everyone. Bye. Take care. I wish all of you all the best for your results for tomorrow. Thank you and good night. Bye everyone.